Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course my main wig review. So we're going to dive into some things, but make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and we're going to be right back. So today's unit was sent to me by Outre, so thank you Outre for kindly sending me this unit. This is from their Sleeklay collection. It's the lace front wig part. I apologize if you guys can hear the noise in the background. My neighbor has been doing his yard all morning, so I will speak louder just in case, but I apologize. I was hoping that he would be done by now, but this man loves his yard. So this is from their Sleeklay collection. It's the lace front wig part. It's in the style DARBY, and I got it in the color DR2 Hazelnut. And it has a 5-inch deep parting space. It's heat safe up to 400 degrees, and this is what the stock card looks like. They have a very simple stock card, which I love. And on the back of the stock card, it also has a lot of the other colors that it comes in. And I wanted to try this color because I saw it on the beautiful model and I was like, oh, let me try it. And then for the video, I said, let me just style it how it is on the stock card. And I like it. The Sleeklay collection honestly is my favorite collection from Outre because it's so easy. If you guys saw earlier, the application process was beyond super easy. All I did was use my medium dark brown lace tint from Eben, and I sprayed the lace. In the past, I used medium brown, but I decided to get medium dark brown. I feel like it matches my skin complexion a little bit more. You don't really know what color yours is until you buy it and just play around with it. but I want to say this was like $8 or $9 on Amazon. The link in the description box for this unit, well, for this spray, is in the description box below. I'm like over here giving myself tongue twisters. But yeah, so I sprayed the lace, I cut the lace, and that was it. I put it on, and if you guys saw earlier, that was it. I did give myself a little bit of baby hairs. I wanted to try something different. I don't always do baby hairs on my channel because on this channel I cater to the lazy wig wear. I like to just plop and go, and that's what this unit is. I gave myself the same swoop, and I am loving this unit. It does have 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, adjustable straps back there as well. It is big hair friendly, yes, and here's the proof. Here is proof that this unit is big hair friendly. I have braids in under my wig. I was supposed to get this unit back in August, and the shipment came super late. I guess, you know, it wasn't ready because now it's available on all platforms. But yeah, I have braids on underneath, and I don't think you guys can tell, right? Let me know in the comments below if you can tell. But I had ended up taking out one of my braids that was right here, so just so this unit could be a little bit more flat. But I did my hair during last week, and I was like, my package came, and you know, when you work with brands, they want you to post within a certain amount of time, and I was like, dang, I'm not taking these out. So there you have it. We call it improvise. But yeah, I like it, you guys. There's no tangling, no shedding. This unit is so cute. I have to go into the office for the first time ever, me working at my job. I work in media, so I live in Jersey, I work in New York, but I've been working from home this entire pandemic. We've been working from home, so I do have to go in as a one-time thing. My supervisor is having like a huge off-site meeting, and she invited me in, so I'm gonna go say hi, and I think I'm gonna wear this unit. I think this is the unit that I'm gonna wear into the office for the first time. Do you guys think that that's a good idea? Let me know what you think. I also love Outre's like coloring. They always have some great colors. They have a color bomb collection, and they just always like come through with the colors. So I really do like this color. It's pretty, it's fall, you know. Yes, and I'm loving this length. It's super long. It comes all the way down to my stomach, as you guys can see. And yeah, I am feeling it. I did go in with my MAC pressed powder and a little brush, and I just went in along the part just to make it blend in more with my hairline. I mean, with my skin complexion. Yeah, so also before we go, I don't know if some of you guys know, but I have a 5-part wedding series that is listed in a playlist, my Black Love playlist. So the link to that is listed below as well. Unfortunately, I have not posted the 5th video yet. You guys, my computer just completely shut down, and luckily that was the only video that I still had to post on my YouTube channel on my laptop. That was the only one that was still on there. So I have to back up my hard drive. I just spent a nice chunk of change on a new laptop, so I'm not paying for an additional fee to back up my hard drive yet. So I will do that maybe early November. I have a lot going on for October. My birthday is coming up. Yes, I'm an October baby on October 6th. So yes, my birthday's coming up. My husband's birthday's in October too. So we have a lot going on. I'm just like, I now literally just bought some equipment for cameras for filming vlogs and travel vlogs and things like that. And I was like, I'm not dropping any more money on equipment. Like, I'm not. So if you guys are wondering where the 5th video is, it will be out in early November. So thank you for your support. I appreciate it. I'm giving some great wedding tips. If you or someone you know is getting married, make sure you guys send them the link. It's free to support. And yes, yeah, other than that, that's pretty much it, you guys. This was a plop and go. You guys know I love super easy units, and it's free to support. Just hit that subscribe button. That's, you know, that's a way of showing some love and support to a YouTuber like myself. And yes, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and I will see you guys next time. Namaste.